Welcome to SearchHub. My name is Jonathan Ross, and this video covers our unique Search Insights feature. This tool helps e-commerce managers approach search from several business angles. Let's dive right in. Search Insights aggregates all search KPIs and delivers next best actions based on customer journey context. You won't find this level of aggregated search information anywhere else. Now, by the end of this video, you should be able to 1. Independently audit your site search performance, and 2. Identify the greatest impact when optimizing e-commerce search, 3. Be able to report on the success of your work, and 4. Track the daily and weekly optimization progress. Bear in mind, optimizations made within SearchHub affect the complete user journey for a given master query. Less work, more efficiency. Let's get started by clicking on Top Queries. Select a date range from the top right. I'll select 7 days. Now this compares the last 7 days with the previous 7-day period. There are 2 lists to help you understand search in terms of traffic. First, searches by frequency, and second, searches by uplift. Now, these are a quick way to pinpoint which optimization will deliver the greatest results. Let's look at this in more detail. Search by frequency. This is a consolidated view of most frequently searched queries grouped by master query. It's an accurate aggregation of keyword traffic. This makes it simple to get a feel for the true volume of each keyword cluster. Now, a click on a keyword takes you straight to the query cluster section of the UI to begin optimizing immediately. There's a link in the description about how this optimization process works. Now, a quick note, our one-of-a-kind findability KPI is built into these keyword lists. Findability measures the propensity of a keyword to produce a result set that leads to a purchase. More on findability later. To the left of findability is our ranking score. This is the relevance or influence that a keyword has on first page click traffic. The higher the ranking score, the more likely a keyword is to generate positive first page click traffic. This is powerful. But what about sorting all of these columns of information? No worries, we got you covered. Simply click each column successively to generate bespoke views. Click on the arrow in the right-hand corner when you're done and export it as a CSV file. There's no limit to the number of sortings that you can layer. And we included a filter box in the search term column to filter on specific words or parts of words within a list. You can isolate things like prefixes, suffixes, or common strings within search terms. And if that wasn't enough, right-clicking on any search term displays a menu to allow you to search with or without SearchHub activated within your shop. This makes it easy to audit your search against real-world results. Quite handy if you ask me. Now, next up, search by uplift. So frequency uplift. These are queries with the highest demand increase over the last 7 days. Interesting to note, search by uplift is used by our Smart Suggest tool to re-rank keyword suggestions for autocomplete functionality. It's also how SearchHub measures and identifies customer trends. This closes the gap between sales goals and customer needs. Mapping customer trends to well-known products means SearchHub understands intent, allows shop visitors to use language most natural to them, and still find the right product. Watch this space for more details about Smart Suggest and how we use rankings. Next, we have underperforming queries. All the concepts we discussed previously, sorting, filtering, and right-clicking, still apply here. The chart below is an overview of the relationship between your most essential search KPIs. Low conversion rate, low click-through rate, no results, and searches with low findability over our 7-day period. Now, below that, we have searches without results. This one pretty much speaks for itself, just one caveat: human rate. This confidence score shows how likely it is that a keyword was entered by a human. If you review this list before you begin optimizing zero results, you'll save yourself a massive headache. Now, an important side note, this is an aggregated list of queries made within the last 7 days. In some, they've delivered more zero results than not within that period. Next up, searches with low click-through rates. These have a click-through rate below the 20th percentile. Essentially, this list gives insight into which system might need optimizing. Is it something that I can do in SearchHub? Or do I need to adjust relevancy settings in my search engine? Or is this something that I need to review my product data for? This knowledge helps your product detail page convert. Low Findability Searches. Now, findability is the SearchHub unit of measure which tracks keyword performance as it relates to so-called positive and negative user signals. Quite simply, findability is an indicator of whether keywords return products that are easily purchasable. Searches with more negative user signals like exits, bounces, no clicks, and long search paths receive a lower findability score. Searches, on the other hand, with more positive user signals like clicks, rate of clicks on the first page of results, add to carts, and buys receive a higher findability score. This score is foundational for what we call master query picking. Moving on to low conversion rate searches. Now, these keywords have a conversion rate below the 20th percentile and represent a kind of holy grail for site search optimization. You see, customers search to tell us the product they want exactly. If they find it or something close to it, they'll click and maybe even add it to the basket. But in this particular scenario, they don't buy. SearchHub helps you discover why customers are able to find but choose not to buy. This ensures a tight workflow and results-oriented shop management. Now, our final Search Insights feature helps identify the next best action. We call them performance charts. These charts at the top offer high-level information about on-site search journey development. In the top left, we have development of search without a result. Searches without results can fluctuate seasonally as customers begin searching for products not yet in stock, but also as a result of recent optimizations that you've done. Development of search click-through rate. This graph shows the click-to-product detail page impressions over time. This takes us to the development of findability. Now, this high-level overview shows whether your search engine delivers results customers want to purchase. Development of search conversion rate. Accuracy is key here. For this reason, we run two proofs to determine this value. First, we evaluate the number of unique orders within a session, and then we divide those orders by the number of unique searches within that same session. This data gives us the confidence to deliver a reliable score, and it lets you track search profitability as it relates to overall shop performance. The last two graphs track our Smart Suggest tool's performance. Development of the Suggest mean reciprocal rank. This is the overall quality of autocomplete keyword suggestions. Are they being ranked? Are they being clicked? This is how we identify the best performing suggestions and determine how helpful these are for the overall customer journey. Development of Suggest click-through rate. Now, this is a good top-level indicator of auto-suggest performance. The final feature of our Search Insights tool, Query Flow Graph. This is your on-site search customer journey flowchart. It follows the customer journey from Smart Suggest or a unique keyword entry into the search box all the way to keyword conversions. So whether analyzing where customers begin their search interaction or at which point in their journey they exit the site after having used the search, it's all right here. Each juncture of the customer journey can be clicked to further analyze specific keywords. One of my favorite, unconverted searches with clicks. Now, these keywords produced results, but ultimately ended without a purchase. The filter and sorting options are the same as previously discussed. Pro tip, try sorting by findability. This shows keywords with results that are easy to find, but something about them doesn't match customer intent, so they still weren't purchased. Oftentimes, optimizing these types of queries is as easy as confirming a suggested merge from the SearchHub AI, or maybe you'll learn that the products displayed aren't what customers expected to see. Whatever the reason, you now have an informed position to begin optimizing from. In closing, SearchHub's SearchInsights tool provides data-driven search-related knowledge in an easy-to-use UI. You can transparently audit the performance of any site search engine. And not only that, SearchInsights connects the dots with easy-to-use tools to immediately begin optimizing your on-site search according to cutting-edge data science, creating an overall better user experience for your customers. There's no guesswork, just cold hard data navigating you to the greatest potential. Thanks for working with SearchHub, making search understand humans.